First, let's start off with a static scene. That means nothing is moving. This works well for someone that's speaking and you don't want any distractions in the background. If you're doing a live or doing something live. Secondly, we're going into our low gear or low intensity scene. We're going to add a little bit of movement. Thirdly, we're going to go into our mid intensity. We're going to add a little bit more flashing lights, chases, or anything of that nature, sort of like a dimmer effect or even a color effect. And lastly, we're going to go into high intensity. Which means multiple lights are doing different things, or different groups of lights have different effects on them. Now that we have finished our design phase, now we're going into our live phase. And this is how we do it. We're going to just drag everything, all the scenes and the presets that we've done on the right, we're going to drag them to our live section in the bottom, and we'll go from there.